Hey guys, okay, so I just tried a pink stuff foaming toilet cleaner and I have to tell you it's actually amazing. First of all, it comes in a 3-pack, which is a perfect because I'm always running out of the cleaning stuff. Now I'm stocked for a while and I don't have to worry about grabbing more anytime soon. But the real magic is in the foam. You just pour it in and it starts fizzing like crazy. It clings to everything, even those hard to reach spots under the rim, which makes cleaning so much easier. I barely had to scrub and it tackles some tough stains I've been ignoring for way too long. And the smell, so fresh and pleasant, not that harsh chemical scent most cleaners have. My bathroom feels and smells super clean now, which honestly makes such a difference. It's super easy to use, worked great, and a 3-pack is such a great deal. Seriously, if you're tired of scrubbing and want something that actually works, you've got to try this. Trust me, you'll thank me later.